I'm part of the technology and engineering team. That my focus is with engineering projects and learning things like coding and Arduino. And very similar to what we do in this during the academic year, we kind of do in a more condensed and more intense version for a summer camp. Last semester, we did this project where they had a small budget of what we called Alpha Bucks, a fictional currency which we made for them. And they had to request materials based on that in order to build their strongest cantilever per bridge. And that was pretty interesting because had the kids be a little bit more reserved in terms of what they choose for their materials, because the tiebreaker was cheaper bridge wins. They really thought it through, and then some of them came up with a good idea of, can we get refunds on stuff? So we decided, all right, you can sell back unused material for half the price. And it's really entertaining to see how the kids respond to the different problems we give them.
It's all about involvement, and it's taken away from the kind of traditional school setting of a teacher delivering material and just learning it and then regurgitating it for an exam. It's very focused on enjoying and learning through action. That's kind of what I think it's all about.
I myself have always been a more hands-on or visual learner. That's reading and listening, not my strongest of skills. But doing things, I'm good at. And solving a problem, and especially when it's, hey, this is your goal, this is what you have, go. That we're not really, we just give loose guidelines and we give assistance. We don't actually say, you do this to do this to do this. It's, this is what you are required to do. These are some suggestions.
Without them realizing it was kind of an introduction to how you do a scientific process. So it's kind of, it's the things I wish I knew. And plus it's just nice to be, they often ask a lot of like life advice for school, and just, they look at me and they're like, oh my God, college is so big. And I remember what it was like. So it's kind of nice to be able to give back a little bit and be a bit of a mentor in ways.